I just heard UPS drop off my packages. Let's get it. Ooh. Oh, it's heavy. Okay. What's up, good people? Welcome back to another video. Listen, your girl is back at it. And this time around, I wanted to take you guys through the entire process. I mean, from start to finish. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Alex. And if you are not new here, then you are probably like, girl, what is you doing? What's going on? I see boxes. What are you about to do? And so let me go ahead and break this down. So just from the background alone, minus my weights, you guys can probably detect that I'm about to start my business again, okay? Now, when I say again, I'm telling you, like, this time, it's like a part 2. I reinvented. I took some time off, almost a year. I stepped away from making t-shirts last year around this time, and I'm coming up on my year of reevaluation, okay? I'm calling this my redemption year. And reason being, honestly, number one, I wasn't truly ready to have a business. I had so much going on in my personal life, and it was just a hot mess trying to operate through that. Reason number two, being transparent, because y'all my people, I didn't have enough money to run my business, and so I had to learn what that looked like and what that really, you know, took to really have the financial support for my home-based business. And so here we are. It is March, literally March 14th, 2023. I'm starting up right now. I'm just getting my inventory. I have not made no product. I don't have no shop, so just bear with me. But I told myself I'm gonna take you guys along the whole process, and that is what I'm doing. So now let me go ahead and unpack these boxes, because I'm sure y'all trying to figure out what I got up in here. All right, so I have 2 huge boxes from Heat Transfer Warehouse. If you guys are new here, when I tell you I'm locked in with Heat Transfer Warehouse, I've always loved their products. I am a partner with them as well, so I just genuinely stand by getting everything that I use for my home business from them, especially if they sell it, right? So if they sell it, I see it, I'ma grab it. So I ordered some stuff from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Let's go ahead and unpack. So those empty shelves behind me, I'm gonna put all this, because this is vinyl, okay? This is vinyl. I'm gonna put all this vinyl in them shelves behind me. Let's get to it. Like first of all, this is only just one box, okay? I have 2 more boxes, this one and that one over there, to open. The colors, I don't think the plastic is really doing it justice. Hold on, I'm gonna unpack one of these so y'all can really see. The second box here, some more pinks. I don't know what color this is, but this is in the blue, honey. But it's super cute. Okay, so let me show you some up close patterns. I got this one, okay. Love that. The pigmentation of these patterns, they just get it right every time. Love that. Also have a pink version of the leopard, if y'all can see that. Love that. Now this one I'm gonna show real quick, because I mean, this is YouTube and I don't want to get in trouble. So y'all can read between the lines what pattern that is, okay? So yeah, I am super excited. So I'm actually about to put these up in my shelf over here. I'm actually gonna just put these away just so I can like match colors, see how much I have, and then take inventory, okay? But yeah, y'all, when I tell you I'm starting from scratch and I'm taking you guys along, so if you're subscribed, which I hope you are, you get to see everything from start to finish, and then I'll show you what I'll be making. I will be having an Etsy shop. I won't have my own website this time, so I'm excited about that. I just feel like I was just meant to have something. That's how I got my start here on YouTube. I've always been such a, I want to have my hands on it. I want to do it. I want to put stuff together. And I'm just so thankful that after I gave myself a break, reevaluated, got a job, I'm able to now appreciate the fact that when it comes to starting a business, everybody's start is going to be different, okay? So my start is not going to look like your start and vice versa. But the beauty of starting over is that you get a chance to just recognize what you did wrong the first time, okay, and take some time to really learn how e-commerce works, specifically when it comes to Etsy. So I've done all of that, and now it's like, now it's time to create. And I love it because this time around I know what I'm doing. I don't have to learn anything new. I literally can just start creating tonight. Once I put all this up, listen, your girl can be busy, okay? Currently though, I'm actually just only using my vinyl cutter. So this time around, no heat press, okay? So I'm just sprinkling some hints as to what I'll be making. But all in all, y'all, yeah, I'm about to put all this vinyl up and really get everything in motion. Let me show you what else I got when it comes to like taking product photos. Okay, so I just set up this flat lay. I got this from Amazon, and because I really want like a really clear product photography shot and I want it to be consistent every single time, okay, emphasis on every single time, I went ahead and just invested into one of these like flat lay setups. I feel like my finishes are great for photos, but it's time to just step it up a notch, okay? Like I just wanted a setup that was going to come off professional, and to me this is very professional. So it just has like this, I guess faux wood texture, then the marble texture. So like how I'm seeing it, holding up a product, and you got that marble background, okay, just that special sauce. So I went ahead and got this. So this is something I'm also going to be using when it comes to like my listing photos, and again just making sure it's like really, really special. The timeline for when I want to have everything like created to promote and upload it on Etsy is the end of March. So when I tell you the time is ticking, but because I know what I'm making, I already have my designs made in my Silhouette studio, okay? So when I tell y'all, I literally just been waiting on the vinyl itself because I can start creating today. As soon as I log off work, I'm on my lunch break, okay? So I'm not like trying to not work, but I'm on my lunch break. So this came at a great time. Shout out to UPS for delivering earlier than expected. So yeah, y'all, I'm super excited. So after my lunch break, I'm gonna pretty much just go back to work. But let me just show y'all, like this is literally what my room is looking like. Hold on, camera focus. Okay, everything is everywhere. But this room is gonna be pretty much looking like this until I figure out how much more I wanna design it. I do wanna have some more stuff on the walls here. I'm not sure yet, but this is just me being real with you. This is how my craft room is looking at the moment until I build and figure out what else I wanna add. So these shelves I repurposed. These were originally like for my t-shirt inventory. Glad I kept these because boom, everything is good. So I'll be shipping products in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the vinyl and the empty spaces and call it a day. I have my printer. I have an extra cutting mat in case I need it. And then I still have a pretty good, all right y'all, sorry about that. I had to get a new memory card, but I was saying that I have a cutting mat that I'm using and it's really good. It's still really, really tacky, but I've learned my lesson and now I always keep the backup, okay? Because I don't want to be caught slipping. I don't want to like slow down my production, none of that. So yeah, right now that's pretty much it. So this is really like, I guess, a really watered down tour, okay? Because I don't have everything set up that way that I want to. If you're not new here, that you've seen this room before, yeah, and this is how it's gonna look getting started. It doesn't always have to be polished. It's just how you can make it, and I always stress that. So yeah, now what I'm gonna do is pretty much put all these vinyl rolls in some space so that way I'm good to go, and that's pretty much it. So I'm thinking right now what's gonna make the most sense is pretty much put matching colors in the same like square, okay? So let me go ahead and do that and see how it looks. Okay, they also can put like little smaller ones in here too. Sorry y'all can't see my face. I don't have a system yet, but I'm gonna spend some time when I get off work today to really do that. Right now I think I'm gonna just like try to see what it looks like, just to, you know, get a feel of how much can fit in these, because I don't know. Like I said, I had t-shirts in here, so with this all being just like vinyl storage, I need to see how much room I got so I can know like what to order, how much it can hold, you know, all the logistics. Pinks, okay. Look how cute that is. It's like a bubblegum pink. Ah, I love it. Okay, hold on. I didn't even know this. They gave me sheets too. Good deal. I didn't know this was in the bundle. So I haven't done much, but at least I know like when it comes to like the bigger rolls, I believe this is, ooh, I guess I can look on the sticker. How big is this? Okay, hold on y'all. So this one's 25 yards to get a reference of like how much you get. Hellas, okay, 25 yards. And then like these medium ones are 5 yards, okay? 15 feet, 5 yards, okay? Ooh, that's pretty. Yellows over there, pinks over there. All right, so y'all get the gist, okay? This is how I'm gonna organize it. Oh, this is a good thumbnail opportunity. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna organize it for now. Just color code it. I mean, I feel like that's just the most easiest way I can keep up with it, and I don't feel like I want to make it too complicated. Also, this time around, I'm just gonna simplify it for myself. The first time, I had no blues clue what I was doing, and I made things much harder than what they needed to be. This time around, I want simplicity, but efficient, you know, very functional, and of course, profitable. And I feel like you can have simplicity and profitability exist in the same space, especially if you know what you're doing and you're just smart about it, okay? So if you're starting a business or you're thinking about having something, it doesn't have to be hard, my friend. Just figure out what you want to sell, do your market research, and everything will fall into place. I promise you. So before I let y'all go, I do want to let y'all know that these bundles here, so the reason why it's like a lot is because Heat Transfer Warehouse had a sale on their bundle vinyl, and this is PSV, so this is permanent vinyl. This is not heat transfer vinyl. So because they had bundle and they had a sale, I snatched it up, okay? So that's why I was able to get so much earlier on versus like trying to buy everything. Like I literally just got a really good deal. So that's why y'all see so much and I already have a lot. And I just wanted to make sure I was good there, okay? What's up, good people? So do apologize, my camera actually overheated, and so that's why that video was just so abrupt. But thank you guys so much for watching that video. Hope you enjoy it. As always, subscribe if you're liking the vibe. Leave me a like, comment down below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Bye, y'all.